Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you what is Fiverr and how can you earn money from Fiverr. Before earning money from Fiverr, you must know about what is Fiverr. So first of all, you must to know what is Fiverr. To put simply, Fiverr is an online marketplace to offers a a wide variety of services, taxes and mini jobs. Founded in 2010, Fiverr aims to provide an online platform where freelancers can advertise and list their available digital services. First, you have to create a seller profile and you have to create a gig that will show your selling information, and this gig will look a good fit for their project who can buy your projects. There are almost 20 different jobs categories on this site. Among them, I will show you top 5 categories. First of all, website development jobs. Designing and building a website is arguably one of the highest paid jobs on Fiverr. Although you will find different offers from website concepts, designs and coding, you will make more money if you are able to do all three. It will pay you among $100 to $2,000 per gig. Second one is graphic design jobs. On Fiverr, there is no shortage of graphic design offers available. It remains one of the most popular categories on the site, with over 110,000 available gigs. Whether you specialize t-shirt logos or business card design, you should not have a problem finding a graphic design gig on Fiverr. This will pay you among 10 to 1,000 per gig. Third one is copywriting. You don't have to be a tech wise to make money on Fiverr. Okay, if you are a wordsmith, you too can earn extra money by offering your copyright services to buyers. There are plenty written gigs available, especially when it comes to copywriting. For example, you found listening that products, paid products review writers, bloggers, and even a book authors. It will pay you among 50 to 2,000 per gig. Video marketing. Calling aspiring directors, video marketing is one of the highest paying challenge across all type of Fiverr gig. In fact, the demand of those types of services grew more than 100% over the last few years, which makes it an creative option for those with video experience. Options include training videos, short animations and advertisements. There is also a big market of business trying to grow their social media effort. You will find gigs looking for YouTube, Instagram video, Facebook video services. It will pay you among 100 to 10,000 per gig, which is a huge amount of money. Fifth one is translation services. If you can speak more than one language, you can easily make extra cash by translating documents for others. Businesses are eagerly looking for multilingual sellers who can translate different documents and articles. Along the same lines, you can also find buyers looking to learn a new language on Fiverr. If you have patience of teaching, you can put those language skills to good use. There are a lot of eager students willing to pay a private language tutor. It will pay you among 100 to 1,000 per gig. So that is for today. Hope it will help you to beginning the journey in Fiverr. Work harder and earn dollar and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, goodbye.